How are you
looking out for those who are Wike's issue, the threats that he gave concerning the Yorubas?
See, personally, when people go low or they go into the gutters, I don't go with them.
Okay, talking about not going to the gutters, sir. What effort are you making to bring people like Chinda that addressed the press earlier today?
No, we will reach out to them. I mean, that is democracy. We will reach out to them. Even I can disagree with people. But there shouldn't be anything personal here. It should be about what are we giving to Nigerians, because they are watching. You know, we want to give a PDP. In Oyo State, they showed last Saturday that PDP is not dead. In most other places of the 12 states, PDP came second in each of those. It's some indication to us that if we continue to work hard, if we continue to strive hard, if we continue to bring our people together, we'll get to a point where Nigerians will really start listening to us. Thank you.
Thank you.